Welcome in once again to Crypto Climate, where we observe the climatic current pulse and forecasts of the markets, guys. Immediately, we're going to start off with the Ethereum Fear and Greed Index, currently at neutral right now at 47. The markets and Ethereum are just indecisive right now. They continue to range sideways essentially, and for most of this year it has been going up, but right now a lot of indecision, people expecting a possible recession in the second part of 2023. So a lot of uncertainty. Some people even think that Ethereum and the rest of the markets are going to go down. So that uncertainty creates just price action to go sideways, be neutral, and we're going to analyze that in the charts pretty soon. But beforehand, let's discuss the top 5 altcoins in the world, starting with Ethereum at $1,832, just up 8.84% in the last 7 days. Number 2, BNB at $306, man, at 0.73% down, but not really making too much moves. Just you can see here, just a lot of stable coining going on essentially, a lot of sideways action, not going up, not going down. But we have XRP, the scam, currently at 46 cents, down 0.50%. Cardano at 36 pennies, down 0.88%. And then we have Dogecoin at 7 pennies, down 3.65% in the last 7 days. Yikes. Then we move on to the top 5 worst performing assets in the last 7 days. We start with SUI at a buck, a billy, down 12.47%. Number 2, GMX. Wasn't that a rapper once or something? Man, 54 billies, down 12.57%. And number 3, we have Phantom at 33 pennies, down 10.24%. Number 5, Injective, the injection coin, at $6.43, down 8.62%. And then number 5, we have Algorand at 15 cents, down 9% in the last week. Wow. Then we have the top 5 best performing assets for the past 7 days. We start with Render token at $2.78, up 18%. Wow. Number 2, Kava at $1.12, up 11.44%. Number 3, Huobi token at just $3.20, up 10% in the last week. Then we have Tron at 11 in the world. Wow, that's impressive. Trying to get back up to the top 10 with so many great coins out there. I can't believe it. At 7.6 pennies, up 8.44%. And then you have at number 5, IOTA. It's almost at 20 pennies, up 7.56%. The OGs making moves, in this past week. Then again, guys, make sure you don't forget to click the subscribe button. It really does help out the channel. We provide great cryptocurrency content on here. Also click that bell to make sure that you stay informed with our great content as well, with the latest videos, guys. And like this video, as it really truly does help out with the algorithm, just to find great people like you guys. And then also we provide value via our free educational playlist, link in the description down below. One click, get a pen, pencil, or a piece of paper and just dig in. A lot of great free, educational content here with their educational presentations talking about CBDCs, the Web3, the metaverse, just a lot of great, parts of the cryptocurrency industry. So make sure that you check those videos out. Then moving on to the charts, we do see a bounce with Ethereum at $1,832. As we can see here, a very considerable candle. In the stochastic RSI, we continue to go down, losing a little bit of momentum, but again, we just continue to consolidate sideways. A lot of sideways price action, boring after dumping for the past couple of weeks. And just continue to make lower highs and lower lows, so the downtrend continues. Right now, this support is key at $1,786. Price for Ethereum is very fundamental. As you can see, price is having a hard time getting below this level, but I believe it's just a matter of time before we find ourselves around the $1,700, $1,670 mark for Ethereum, anywhere from the next couple of days to the next couple of weeks. That's the projection based on the charts. Then we move on to altcoins. The altcoin market cap here total to basically all cryptocurrencies except Bitcoin. We can see here that we came back down to retest this trend line here, bottom part of this triangular formation pattern. As we can see, a lot of consolidation here, attempted to break down, but a lot of buy pressure. The buy wick pushed it up once again, and right now we're rebounding a little bit, but again, the trend is your friend until the end, but at one point it does have to be the end, and we expect this to break down and come back down to revisit the $500 billion mark. Right now we're at 565 billion as that amount of money inside all altcoins except Bitcoin. And yeah, we had a couple of fake outs here for the past couple of months, you know, above and below key resistance and support levels. But right now, this is where we stand. We have a little bit of a bounce, but a lot of consolidation, and we expect the altcoin market to possibly break down in the next couple of days, the next couple of weeks, especially, you know, when it comes regard, you know, to comparing all altcoins to Bitcoin as well, you know, Bitcoin's value. That's what I meant to say. But yeah, we have the DXY here at 104.22. We've had a massive bounce off the lows, you know, and now could this be a lower high? And with the trend, you know, that's really the key and what we're watching out for. As we can see, you know, we still have momentum, and we broke the key resistance of 103.5 on the DXY, the dollar index, as we can see, and now we're above. You know, we might retest it and then continue on, but who knows? Right now we're watching that 105.35 as that next key resistance level for the DXY. So we're gonna definitely keep an eye out for that and to see if this is gonna be a lower high, or if we're gonna actually break the previous high and continue on with a brand new uptrend, guys. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's content. Don't forget, we have great tools and resources for you guys. Link in the description down below. You can find, you know, a lot of good tools here, things of that nature. Hopefully you guys again enjoyed today's content. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. It really does help the channel. And yeah, this content is not any official financial advice. It's for educational purposes only. Thank you so much for your support, your time and attention, and hope you guys have a good one.